Hello everyone to Learning Academy Foundation from Mr. Andrea. Today I would like to show you about the maths program for grade 7. The first section will be about proportional relationships, where the students will learn about proportional relationships. So how are they connected to ratios and rates? What do their graphs look like? And what type of word problems can they solve with proportions? Next will be rates and percentages. In this section, the students will look at how rates and percentages relate to proportional thinking. They will also solve interesting word problems involving percentages like discounts, taxes, and tip calculations. The next section will be about integers, addition and subtraction of integers. The students will extend their addition and subtraction understanding to include negative numbers, whether we need temperatures below zero, altitudes below sea level, or decreases from any other reference point. Negative numbers give them a way to represent it. The next section will be about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. The students will see that fractions and decimals can be negative too. So they will remember how they use subtraction to represent distances on a number line. When absolute value comes to the rescue, that works with integers too. Next section will be about multiplication and division of negative numbers. So the students will learn to multiply and divide negative numbers. Once they have got the basics down, they will revisit fractions, exponents, and order of operations, but this time with negatives. The next section will be about expressions, equations, and qualities. The students will bring on to the algebra. So they will learn how to manipulate expressions and solve equations and inequalities. The next section will be about statistics and probability. This section, introductory section to probability and statistics, explores probability models, sample spaces, compound events, random samples, and a whole lot more. Next section will be about scale copies. Would the students like to build a model or draw a map? They can use ratios and proportions to enlarge and shrink figures and to make copies. The last section will be about geometry. The students will see the geometric shapes are all around us. The world is built with them. So in this section, the students will become familiar with Euclidean geometry and terms like scale drawings, parts of a circle, area, angles, and geometric figures. That's all about maths for grade 7. You can find my contact below in the slides or in the description, and you can contact me if you want to have private lesson on site or online. Thank you so much for your attention, students and parents. See you next time. Bye.